Navigating the delicate dance of winning back an ex requires finesse, strategy, and a touch of intrigue, from subtle tactics to avoid to effective approaches that prioritize self-improvement and genuine connection. The journey to reconciliation is as complex as it is compelling. Join me as we explore the art of winning back an ex, uncovering both the subtle nuances and bold maneuvers that can either reignite lost flames or illuminate the path to new beginnings. 1. The talk. Hello everyone, let's dive into this topic. It appears that initiating conversations might be perceived as easier for some, and that's perfectly fine. According to our survey, approximately 29% of respondents, and let's assume a majority of them identify as women, suggested that a partner's willingness to engage in discussions is indicative of genuine care. So, for those who may feel apprehensive about initiating conversations, it's worth noting that opening up dialogue can often serve as a significant expression of affection and concern within a relationship. 2. Turning your life into a romantic comedy. Turning your life into a romantic comedy can feel like a double standard. It often seems that extravagant displays of affection, like unexpectedly showing up at someone's doorstep, are socially deemed acceptable for men, but not for women, with the latter risking being labeled as desperate. Yet there are moments when such gestures resonate with genuine feelings of longing and affection. Before investing significant resources and effort into such acts, it's crucial to be confident that the person on the receiving end truly misses and appreciates your presence in their life. 3. Resigning yourself to being a friend with benefits. Resigning yourself to a friends with benefits arrangement often stems from the realization that your ex may not have been willing to put in the effort to resolve issues from the start. It's unlikely he'll suddenly want to tackle the complexities of a relationship now. However, if casual intimacy is on the table, he might be interested. This increased interaction might slightly boost the odds of rekindling a romantic connection, simply because you're spending more time together. Yet the likelihood of him desiring a deeper, non-physical connection remains minimal. Ultimately, it's a gamble you'll have to weigh carefully. 4. Reminders of what was good. Take a trip down memory lane by sifting through your old emails and rediscovering a particularly adorable or affectionate exchange. Revisiting these cherished moments from the past can often serve as a gentle reminder of the love and warmth that once filled your relationship. Additionally, immersing yourself in these memories might help ease the pain of heartache you're currently experiencing, offering a brief respite from the emotional turmoil. 5. Hot social media photos. Sharing captivating photos on social media can certainly arouse curiosity, but it's essential to strike a balance. While it's natural to want to showcase your best self, posting excessively provocative images might inadvertently convey a sense of desperation or seeking validation. Instead, opt for photos that exude confidence and authenticity, allowing your personality to shine through without resorting to overtly seductive poses. By maintaining a tasteful and genuine online presence, you can capture attention while still preserving your dignity and self-respect. 6. Get way hotter. Boosting your attractiveness might seem shallow, but it can actually be quite effective in catching your ex's attention.